Let's go drift Dad.
Hey guys, it's the Drifting Dad and happy 7/7 day. I know it's a big day for ARC 7 owners, and right now my car is not fully back together, but I will be getting it back soon. So fortunately I won't be going to any 7/7 day festivities, but coincidentally it is also my birthday today, so I think I was probably destined to own an RX-7 since my birthday is 7/7 day.
Our budget and Dewey's prices.
Whoa! That's really cool.
It was super cool.
I like
before
that.
It slid.
I want to see.
It'll be fun.
I want to see.
That's super cool.
Dad,
Happy birthday.
Can you pick me up so
Yes,
I
yeah.
can see?
My wife got me this awesome Drifting Dad shirt for my birthday, and I'm thinking that I will be doing a giveaway. My wife's pretty awesome. One other thing that I got was this puzzle. I'm a big puzzle fan, so she got me a puzzle with a picture of my car on it. I will be putting it together soon, but I thought that was a super awesome idea for a gift for someone that's into cars that may not necessarily you want to get them something special. Thanks guys for watching. Since I didn't get to go to any 7's Day activities, this video is just showing what I've done on my car on my birthday. I got the tie rod all welded up. Just cut a stock tie rod in half and then put this tube over. Looks pretty well. What I've done here is just cut, this is the piece off the old arm, and here's the broken arm. Cut that off. I got more arms. These are just old stock ones, and what I did was I trimmed farther than what I normally would trim, and I'm going to piece these two back together. I've got to clean this up, get rid of all the old weld, bend this one piece back, and then I'll weld them back. And like I said before, I'm going to make fish plates that cover these to make it a stronger weld, a stronger junction. To straighten this out, I've got this actually in the vise, and what I'm going to do is it's getting straighter. I'm going to like hit down on this side with the hammer to try to bend it back out. Just kind of go easy so I don't crack anything. The nice thing too is this metal's pretty soft, so there's a pretty low chance of cracking. So I got that pretty straight. I'm going to trim the weld off, and see how that looks. I'll finish trimming them. That's about perfect. You can see though that's going to be a problem here. I'm going to have to bend that back out because you can see that's like that. It's not going to match up. So I'm going to have to probably heat that to try to bend it. We'll see how well that works, and then weld it back together. What I did here was put this in the vise and then actually just use the pry bar to bend it. Got it pretty straight. I think that'll be good to weld now to the existing control arm. Here I've got the control arm all tacked up. Probably need to put one more tack there. Go ahead and finish weld that, and then guard it back for the gussets that I'm going to make on the fish plates. I'm going to try and weld the inside as well on these, because here we have the arm. I'm going to repair the crack. So I clean the crack up, and I'm going to weld on the back side here as well, and then fish plate over it. I've grinded here for clearance because I was scraping the inside of the wheel before at full lock. Gotta do that the same on this side. Got the control arms welded. See, I welded all the sides, and then I also welded inside. And then what I'm going to do is put the plates over when I'm finished. I just want to do temporary, get everything on the ground, maybe drive the car around today. Had some difficulties, but we got the arm on now. And just gotta hook up the tie rod, doing the alignment, set the ride height. I do have to adjust the caster because we've got some interference. Got one side all back together. Just gotta set the ride height. Go ahead, put the wheel on and everything. Alright, I'm going to set the ride height. I'm going to measure this distance here and then match it on the other side. And looking at that, about quarters, 16ths, so 13/16, I believe. Right here I just measured it. I'm a little short, so I'm going to unwind that so it's longer.